This week we're looking at unit rates. So I have up here the Sobeys flyer, and let's first take a look at some sparkling water. Okay, so it says I get 10 cans of sparkling water for $4.99. So let's go over here. So when you're calculating unit rates, you always want the price per unit. My known ratio was $4.99 for 10 cans of pop or cans of sparkling water. I want to find a unit rate, so I want that 10 to go to 1, the price per 1. So I'm going to ask myself, how does 10 get to 1? In ratios, we're always dividing or multiplying. We are not adding or subtracting. So in this case, to get 10 to go to 1, I divide by 10. So whatever I do to the bottom, we do at the top as well. Divide by 10. You can use your calculator if you want, but $4.99 divided by 10 is going to equal 0. Rounded correctly 50. That means it's 50 cents, or if you were dividing it, it was 0.499 cents. So 50 cents per 1 can of pop. So now, let's take a look at when we have unit rates and they're in grams. So back to the Sobeys flyer, and here we have some Planters peanuts. And it says here that we get $3.99 for 450 grams. Okay? So the Planters peanuts are $3.99 for 450 grams. Well, when we're dealing with grams in food, when you go to the grocery store, a lot of times they'll show you the price per 100 grams. So we're going to do the same thing here. So our question is, how does 454 get to 100? How does 454 get to 100? Well, if you want, grab a calculator. And if you want to find out what to divide by, just divide them. 454 divided by 100. And you're going to get, you need to divide 454 by 4.54. Divided by 4.54. So whatever I do to the bottom, you do to the top as well. Divide by 4.54. So I take my $3.99 and divide it by 4.54. And here I'm going to have a price of, rounded correctly, that's going to be 88 cents per 100 grams. That's my price per 100 grams. Okay? Finally, let's get some chips, because who doesn't like chips? So here, it says here I get 2 bags of, and if you can see that, 2 bags. Each bag is 235 grams. So I get 2 of those for $6. So down here I did a quick calculation. 2 bags at $2.35 each is 470 grams. So for $6, I'm getting 470 grams. Okay? I want to know the price per 100 grams. So when I divide that by that, I'm going to get, I need to divide 470 by 4.7. And whatever I do to the top, I do to the bottom. So whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. To get the price per 100 grams, I take my 6, I divide it by 4.7. So, per 100 grams, $6 divided by 4.7 is $1.28, rounded correctly. $1.28 per 100 grams. Okay? So that's how we look at unit rate.